It's Cars Finger, baby.
BMW Sauber Reveal C29. In early 2010, the BMW Sauber Formula 1 team unveiled their new challenger for the upcoming season, the C29. This car represented a fresh start for the team, as BMW had withdrawn from Formula 1 the previous year, leaving the team to compete under the Sauber name once again. The C29 featured a bold new design that departed significantly from the previous year's model. The car's nose was considerably lower and more tapered, with the team's engineers focusing on improving aerodynamic efficiency to help offset the loss of BMW's significant engineering resources. Under the sleek bodywork, the C29 was powered by a Ferrari customer engine, a strategic decision that aimed to provide the team with a reliable and competitive power unit, while they rebuilt their own in-house capabilities. The car's suspension and other key systems were also redesigned to optimize performance and handling. The reveal of the C29 was a significant moment for the Sauber team, as it marks the beginning of a new era for the Swiss-based outfit. The car's striking appearance and the team's determination to prove their mettle in the face of adversity generated considerable excitement and anticipation among Formula 1 fans and the motorsport community at large. Though the C29 may not have been the outright fastest car on the grid, its competitive performance and the team's resilience in the face of substantial challenges made it a compelling story in the 2010 Formula 1 season and a testament to the enduring spirit of independent teams in the sport. 1995 Ferrari 348. In 1995, Ferrari unveiled the 348, a mid-engine sports car that served as its successor to the iconic Quattrovalvole model. The 348 represented a significant evolution in Ferrari's design language, featuring a sleek, contemporary styling that was a departure from the more angular aesthetics of its predecessor. Powering the 348 was a 3.4-litre V8 engine that produced 300 horsepower, allowing the car to accelerate from 0 to 60 in just 5.6 seconds and reach a top speed of 171 miles an hour. The engine was mounted longitudinally behind the driver, providing an optimal weight distribution that contributed to the 348's renowned handling characteristics. The 348's interior was also a considerable upgrade, with a driver-focused cockpit that featured a well-appointed dashboard, comfortable leather seating, and a host of modern amenities that catered to the needs of the enthusiastic drivers. The car's sleek, curvaceous bodywork and distinctive pop-up headlights further cemented its status as a true Ferrari icon, blending cutting-edge performance with timeless Italian design. Although the 348 faced some criticism for its perceived complexity and high maintenance costs, it remained a highly desirable sports car through the 1990s, appealing to loyal Ferrari enthusiasts and collectors alike. The 348's legacy as a significant chapter in the storied history of the prancing horse brand continues to endure, as it represents a transitional period in Ferrari's evolution towards the even more impressive supercars that would follow in the coming decades.
Envious.
It's Cars Finger, baby.